Hello students, I am back. Class 5, Subject EVS, Chapter 11, Chapter name Shelter for Everyone. Topic Human Shelter in Early Times. Today we will talk about the home, the shelter of the people, those who were living in the forest. They were living in the Stone Age. That time there was no education, they were not educated, they were not civilized, there were no technologies. That time, how that people were living, what type of homes were they using, what was their routine, what was their habits, we will talk about that. The place where we live and feel safe is our shelter. Shelter. It is a place where we stay, we pass our time, we do our activities, we feel safe. That is the most important. The main work of the shelter is to make us feel safe. When we are inside our shelters, we are totally uncared. We are totally live very safely. That is the shelter. Early humans were wanderers as they had to move from place to place in search of food. Early times, the humans were totally wanderers. Wanderers means the people who did not stay at a particular place for a long time. They are always changing their place. They are wanderers. So they had to move from place to place. They changed their place after some time. And the reason behind it was food. They were searching for food. At a particular place, they went, they used the food, and they had to move for the next place for the searching of the food. So that time they can't make their particular home at a fixed time. They had to change their place for the food. They prefer to move in groups. It is a very common habit in all the living things that are living in the forest. They always move in groups because in groups they feel safe. They can be saved from the attack of the other animals or the other enemies. Sometimes they took shelter on tops of trees, in caves or under overhanging rocks. Sometimes they take the shade of some natural things to use as the shelters. They stay on the top of the trees, they stay in the caves or under overhanging rocks. The reason is behind it. Sometimes they feel danger from the animals, from the weather, from the season. These are things which makes effect on their bodies, their life. So sometimes they stay for a particular place to make themselves protect. As I said that the shelter's main work is to feel us safe. They make us safe inside it. So sometimes according to the conditions they take the place for as a shelter. The early man made homes. Now we will talk about what type of the homes were that time where the human beings were living in the forest and the Stone Age. One of the early man-made home was most probably a pit house, which was dug underground with a roof on top. It was the most common home which was being used in that time. It was formed by a dug. They take out the soil from the earth, they make a place, a hole there, and then they put something at the top of the hole to cover that pit, and they use it as a house. In some parts of the world, it is believed that the early man-made homes were made of mammoth bones. Since that time was Stone Age, there were no technologies, so there are no visual or audio any type of record of that time. There was no written record or also. The people, when they search and try to find out the things by the dug of the earth, dug of the soil, the many things the people find which was related to that time. And according to those things, they just think what was the condition of the early humans. So by those studies, in some parts of the world it is believed that the early man-made homes were made of mammoth bones. Mammoth bones means very big bones in which inside there is a space in which they can easily live or stay. In your cities or in your place where you are living, sometimes you will find that a particular animal is using something as a shelter in which they can just move inside. Means a space in which their body can be adjusted. They use it as a shelter for some times according to their requirement. So same as the mammoth bones was of the big size. So inside it, the human got to a space to use it as a shelter. It is just the belief of the people of the some places in the world. In other parts of the world, it is believed that the first home that the early humans built was made out of stones and tree branches. In other parts of the world, it is also believed that the early humans made the first home by the tree branches and the using of stones. It is also a thinking. It is also find out in the search of study. Gradually with the development of tools, these primitive structures were given a better form and the houses were built of sun-dried bricks. Day by day, as the humans feel the requirement of the things, they search out some things in the nature and they search also some things which they can little bit modified to use as tools. So, by the development of tools, these tools they were using in their daily life, they were trying to cut the trees, they were hunting the animals. So these were the things they were using as the tools and the activities. So after the development of tools, they start making homes, and that homes were making by the sun-dried bricks. Means they took the soil and make it as a brick and then they use it as a to make their home and shelter. In the starting, they were totally wonders, totally depend on the animals. They were searching for the food from place to place. After some time, they get little bit developed. They think about how they can get the food in easily. So after some time, they start the agriculture. And after the development of the agriculture, starting their work, they start making shelter in a particular place. So then they use this type of technologies, this type of the activities, things to make their home particular place to stay for a long time. Early time there were no need to stay for a particular place for a long time. But after some time they feel to stay at a place since they started agriculture. Agriculture is a work in which they have to stay for a particular place for a long time. So that was about the homes of the early humans. So these were the topics which we taught today. All of you read it many times, say it many times, so you can understand it and keep it in your mind. Thank you.